Hey, I'm Logan.
Welcome to our life adventures.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Great. We're at Kawartha Highlands and we're gonna go for a hike.
Maybe see a moose.
Ooh, that'd be cool. Let's go.
We'll try not to get shot too, because it's hunting season.
True. Should have worn something orange.
Yes. It's okay.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Autumn Grace. It's her pouty face. Honest question.
Okay.
Answer this honestly.
Okay.
How many days in the past week have you worn that shirt?
I think only twice, actually. I didn't wear it all week.
No, you wore it back-to-back days.
Yesterday and today. I wore it last weekend. Back-to-back days.
So 4 days at 8.
I like this shirt. I'm not really sure where the trail is here. Is that... That's not a trail. I think you go back this way. Are you coming? It's just water, man. It's H2O.
Make that?
I don't really want to have to drag you back.
Break my leg.
Yeah, don't. You could reenact Glenn falling off of the thing and being eaten by zombies.
No thanks. That's a sad scene.
Yeah, it was.
Sorry to anyone that hasn't watched The Walking Dead.
Make my heart race in a hurry, lose my every worry, every second I'm with you. We'll turn all the pages, check off all the places, every day is something new. Don't that sky look blue? Yeah. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
I wonder how long it takes for a beaver to make a dam.
I forgot I was zoomed in. I think there's more than one beaver that builds a dam.
Really?
I think a combination of maybe 4 beavers did that.
And people say animals aren't conscious. Really? And they can cooperate and build something as architecturally sound as a dam. I know a lot of humans that wouldn't even be capable of doing that.
Beavers don't stand around with shovels.
No. They stand around with sticks. And then put those sticks in formation to make a dam.
They swim around with sticks.
Yes.
I like your shirt.
Thanks. Kirkman. That's truly impressive though.
It is.
And how can you, yeah, it's like...
Just for everybody watching, the water level on the other side of that dam is a lot higher than on this side.
Yeah, I would say it's 4 feet.
Yeah, probably 3 to 4 feet higher on the other side. You can't see it too well in the video, but it's quite impressive. Actually, here, you can see right here. Along the side of the dam here. You have the water that is at the level, and then as soon as you go past it, it drops down. There. Right here.
That's nice.
Time for lunch.
What do we got?
We have fire maple, which is the Amazon cheaper version of the jet boil. So it's about half the price, and we haven't used it yet, so this is our first time. And yeah, I'll show you what it does. So basically, you open it up, this pops down, so it's a pot, and then inside we've got a few things.
As it rolls down into the water.
So these pop out to make a little stand. This is our fuel cartridge of isobutane.
Want to read the instructions before you open it? No, it just pops off. Okay.
Yeah. So, use outdoors only.
Are we outdoors?
Unless this is the Truman Show, I think we're outdoors.
As long as we don't hit the igniter, then we're okay.
Do you need that? You don't need that. I haven't brought salt and pepper.
Ooh.
Flavor.
And what are we making?
We're making golden cauliflower soup.
Cool.
Logan's not excited about it.
It's not that I'm not excited.
He doesn't like vegetable soup.
I don't mind vegetable soup. I just like meats in my vegetable soup. So I guess that doesn't make it a vegetable soup anymore. Makes it a meat and vegetable soup.
This guy at work the other day I was talking to, we were talking about Domino's pizza.
Ooh,
Which,
so
if you don't know, is my favorite type of pizza in the world. And I always get the Pacific Veggie. And I didn't say anything, okay? I hadn't mentioned that I love the Pacific Veggie yet. And he was like, oh, you know what's really good? And I was like, oh, what? He's like, the Pacific Veggie pizza. But you skip the olives and get sausage instead.
Oh.
I literally started laughing.
I'm going to take that guy's word. I'll try that.
I can't get this open.
See, now I'm interested. When you say Pacific Veggie, I'm like, but then that guy said sausage. So I might have to try that. Sure. Where are these from? What's going on? Oh, my shirt. Yeah. Yeah, that's where they're from.
Oh, cool. The fire maple itself was, I think, $90 plus tax, so $100, but in comparison to the jet boil, it's half the price. So we wanted to see if it was worth the money and comparable to the jet boil before spending the money on a jet boil. Like, if this works, then there's no point in spending double the amount of money. I think we're good.
That is quick.
That was really fast. That was about a minute and a half maybe?
Yeah. Nice and warm. And very tasty. It's pretty good.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna eat now.
A hot soup's a good soup.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with
Thanks for watching our video.
Thanks, guys.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.